Hello and welcome back to our series. Now it's looking nice. It has been graded here in right position. Here we have different position. If we get this, it will be expanded here. It will get, we can increase any of this field like in any Excel file. Now you have to activate this button. First of all, we have got error in previous video, that may be, I don't know where we have got error, as this is children, this should be children. I have made this mistake here into odd. I have exchanged that. I will correct them first of all, and let's do this. Where is that function? Now again making the function of, I will make this view class, and I should get here variable student class, and let's pass it. Now same thing, we have to make everything here same, but some change have to make here. In this cursor we have to close this database here. Connection dot close, and same for here. Now here same data will be fetched and inserted here, and this will all do here, and here we will make the query change, where let's see what is in the table. Where is our table? Here we should compare with this class is equal to that class, where class is equal to, I'll pass this plus str, we should pass as class, and plus I will pass the termination. This is command, then this should get from our class. See, here is our that buttons command. Here we will pass this. Instead of that, we will pass this variable so that it will match with, we have matched this with that variable of drop down menu, and we will pass this variable. Here we will pass this. Similarly, we will pass this variable function here and paste it, here, and let's make this here. And see, this should compare with that button, and this should insert into the function. Let's run it. If we will not give the error, something is mistake here, we have to pass two bracket. Let's save, let's log in here. Here we have get it. When we click this, we will not get this because there is no result in this. Let's click in the 4b and we have get this 4c. First of all, we will add some IDs in there. Let's see what ID is there. I will make 1001 and I will give Smith. Subject code should be 99. Percentage is score 76 and he is in third. Let's make third A. Add. Yes, we have add this and ID is equal to 1001. When we add, we have to call all the value here. Let's we make this value 101. We have add already. Name is Sari and subject code is again 57 and percentage is he score 67. His class is 4C. Let's remember that for subject code we will use same value, but now we can use this 3. Yes, 3 we have get, 4C we have get 4C. Now when we add, we have to call this function of reading that data and inserting here. Now here we simply have to call this value. Where is this? Here view. We have to call this view on insertion or updation. If we update or insert, we should get that value. Here we will again paste it and run it. Now here we have get this value and let's make 57 for 4C, 999 for third A and 888 for B. Now I will add here 1 2 3 1004 and name is Sandy. Sorry, it is Sambi. Where our window has gone. Here is my window. Sandy and subject code is suppose 57 and percentages we can make anyone here. This is I think 4C, 57 is a 4C. When we add this, as it is giving me here, this is percentage area and this is subject code, this is name. I think this should be and something we have to this in ascending order. We have to make this in descending order because it is finding in ascending order and it will put in descending order where this value is order by ID and it is descending. It will be passed same to this view class and here we will pass this here. Let's run it again. Yes, we are getting this in ascending order. There is 4C also. Yes, this is 4C. Let's see. Yes, it is also getting in order. Now I will make 1007. Name is Lucky and subject code is 999. I think this is of percent is 87. This is of the same 999. Yes, we have made this, and this is arranging. Let's make, we are saying this value. This is how one teacher can maintain the data of the student. This is simple application for teacher management. You can set, you can submit this project in your minor project, not in major project. This is so much minor. In next series we will make another app for supermarket that will scan the barcode and find when we add in cart, and it will add in the cart and it will check out the bill. Thank you for watching this series. This is our last series, and if we want to update some value here, we can pass this way id here. We have all id here, but we have to make this. You can make this button here. When this button is clicked, and you can pass this variable. For this button click, you can make this so that we can see all values here. Here student teacher can update any student values from here. He can take this and he can take same name or which he want to update. He will change that and he will add here. When he add here, it will update because the id has already there and it will be update there. This is the last we have made. If I get a chance, and I will update for this in upcoming series. Thank you for watching this video, and please watch our upcoming series of supermarket app. Thank you.